In this tutorial, we'll be covering SnatchBot's collaboration feature. Collaboration is excellent if you want to work as a team to build a chatbot, or have built something and want to give someone else in your organization access to it. It's easy to set up, it's easy to use, and I'll show you how to do it right here. So, from the left-hand menu, select My Bots, then select the chatbot that you wish to add collaboration to, in this case, HealthBud. Now from the left-hand menu, select Configure, and then from this new menu, select Teammates, which will bring you to this main area where you manage who you add and remove and their permissions. Now, how collaboration works is on the basis of two roles. First, you have the owner, which is what you're set to as a default. You have all the power and control over the chatbot. When you invite someone, they will become an admin. They will be able to make edits to the chatbot, but there are some things that they can't do. For example, invite another admin or give themselves owner access or respond in live messages. They can see live conversations, but they cannot actually send through that. And the owner can revoke access at any time. So here's how you do it. First, select Invite Admin. Then enter the email address of that person and select ShareBot. This will send an email to that email address with a confirmation link. Once that person receiving that opens it and clicks it, they will be able to go to the bot and make edits. So as you can see, the second joker offer now shows up with the role of admin and inactive. And as the owner, I have additional actions here like grant owner access, which I would do if I wanted to give over full control of the chatbot, or revoke access if I no longer wanted this person to be able to actually access it. So my phone, I'm just going to accept the email. And now that I've done that, I'll have access through that other email address. Now, as I refresh, one thing that you'll be able to see immediately once you go back to Teammates is that that status is now active. So I'll show you back in this chatbot. When we go to build, you can see the icon of the other person in there now. And when you go back to My Bots, you can see that you have this symbol, which means that you are the owner. Now in another window, I've logged in under this other account. And as you can see, HealthBud is now there. And they have a slightly different icon indicating their permissions. So in this different account now, I can go in and I can make my edits. One other thing to show you is you will be able to see if I go and I begin to edit this statement and I go back and do the same thing in HealthBud from the other account, you'll see up top this notification here. And jumping back, I can see here that someone else has actually been in the chatbot. And this will display at the start. I can also jump through. And see this along the right-hand side. Allows me to see who is actually alongside editing with me there. Now, if you had wanted to then take back this access, you would repeat a similar process. Select Configure, go back to Teammates, and select Revoke Access. This will then send an email to that user, and you can also see this notification here that they would receive. So all in all, collaboration is very powerful and very easy to set up. It's a great way to get more done faster and to build a chatbot fully with your team. And as you can see, back to normal here. So that's the end of this tutorial, and I hope it has you well on your way.